Hello everyone, welcome to Space Engine. In today's video, we're going to be checking out some more cool things I found. So guys, the first video I made on Space Engine, it got like copyright claimed. Because for some stupid reason, like one of the soundtracks in this game is like copyrighted. And it's like taken from another game. So that stinks. Whatever. So let's find a place to go. Let's go to S. I don't know why I named this. So here's the ocean world. Yeah, so it's a temperate super oceanic aquarium. It's basically like Earth, but if it had no land at all. Like absolutely zero land masses. As you can see. And this planet has a small moon, about a third of the mass of our moon. Let's check out the surface of this planet. So as you can see, there's like absolutely zero land here. Yeah, there's almost no land on this planet. I'm pretty sure there actually is none. So look how deep this ocean is. Also, this planet has 2 stars. So if you remove the water, and look how deep this planet's ocean is. Yeah, if you were standing at the bottom, you wouldn't be able to see any of the stars at all. Yeah, this is what the planet looks like without its oceans. Yeah, so as you can see, it's almost completely, like, flat. Which is really interesting. So it's just an entirely ocean world. Zero land. So the next planet we're going to check out is... let's do this red giant star. So this is a red supergiant star. And you may notice something about it, which is this side of the star is almost completely dark. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, so this side is lit up like any normal star. But then this side is super cold and dark. So it's like normal lava. So if you go up close to this dark side of the star, you'll notice like a super like dark red compared to the other side. Yeah. And also, you may notice, this star is 39 AU across, which is 30 times like the radius of Earth's orbit. That's insane. Yeah, so you can see as the star rotates, the black side occasionally faces you. So if there was a star like this in our galaxy in real life, we would be able to notice how its brightness periodically like went down, like how the star like darkens at a constant rate. I wonder if a star like this is possible to happen. And also you may notice This star has a black hole orbiting it. Yes, black hole's 30 times the mass of our sun. And this black hole has several planets that are orbiting it. So here's the view from one of those planets. Yeah, it's crazy. So going out to this planet, a temperate, lasting super Terra. This planet has oceans, but not of the water you're thinking of. This planet's oceans are mostly made of, like, nitrogen, helium, like, sulfur and stuff. So it has a really weird composition. So let's go land at one of these lakes and look up at the star. What a weird looking star. That's crazy. And finally, we have a cool super Jupiter, which has a couple of interesting moons around it. Oh, I just realized this super Jupiter has a warm mini Jupiter orbiting it. So it's a gas giant orbiting a gas giant. Weird, isn't it? And this moon over here has an ocean. Hydrogen sulfide? Weird. Why the moons and planets in the star system have such weird compositions of their oceans? So look at that. You see the star? It's like a beacon. Like going on and off. That's such a weird, like, view. So, yep. Yeah, so this is the star. Whoa! It's like a spotlight. Yeah, so it periodically changes brightness. And the star is in the trail of the Antenna Galaxy, which is like a very weird galaxy. So basically, this galaxy was formed by two other galaxies colliding. That's why it looks like separated into two. And you can see these tails of stars and gas going out for millions of thousands of light years. Next, let's check out. Let's do this. Ooh. So this is a brown dwarf star, which is basically in between being a star and being a planet. So it's not massive enough to become a star, and it's not like small enough to be a planet. But this is also a super like low mass brown dwarf, I gotta say. It's only 3 times the mass of Jupiter, which is super tiny for a brown dwarf. And you can see this brown dwarf has a bunch of planets orbiting it. Are they planets? Wait, I have a question. Are objects orbiting brown dwarfs planets, or are they moons? That's an interesting thing to think about. So orbiting this brown dwarf you have a frigid mini Neptune with a huge rocky planet, rocky moon orbiting it. There's a lot of binary planets orbiting this brown dwarf. Like, look at these two rocky moons. As you can see, they're binary, which means they orbit a common center. On this planet has rings. Interesting. So yeah, that's this brown dwarf system. Zooming out, this brown dwarf is orbiting a red dwarf star, which are the smallest types of actual stars, like legitimate stars. And orbiting the star is this cool looking planet, which is fittingly named a cool Neptune. It has like pink rings orbiting it. Okay? This star also has a cold super Jupiter. It has a cool arid subterranean moon, which looks a lot like Mars. Wow. Yeah, this sure does look like Mars. But with zero atmosphere, basically. A lot of ring planets in the star system. I also have a frigid super Jupiter. A bunch of small moons. Let's do one more star system. Let's do Pink Jupiter. Let's go to Pink Jupiter, everybody. Hey, why aren't you? Oh, you're pink. Okay, just had the atmosphere turned off. So this planet is extremely pink. Like, look at that. Like, it's weird how like pink this atmosphere is. You guys look at that. I've never seen anything else like this. So cool. That's what you would see. Okay. And also there's a purple mini Jupiter. Interestingly. There's a lot of colorful planets in the star system. Any area? Okay, nope. Also has like a green Neptune. Yellowish green Neptune. Interesting. There's a yellow, like Venus-like planet. Interesting. There's like a brown mini Jupiter. Also like a red planet over here. With a big moon. That's a big moon. Yes, way larger than the moon looks on Earth. I just want to apologize to everyone for not having a KSP video today. Yeah, KSP was giving me some issues, so I wasn't able to record a video. And the reason for that is Microsoft Edge again. Like, we're opening while it was recording and taking all of my memory. Microsoft Edge is like the killer of my videos. So anyways, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed my video. See you later. Goodbye.